I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this food shredder that attaches onto your KitchenAid. This is a nice sturdy metal piece of machinery here. It's got your nice long chute with your little pusher right here, and it comes with 4 different attachments. You've got your slicing blade, your coarse shredding blade, your fine shredding blade, and then a grinding powder blade. To be able to use this, very simple. You just take your KitchenAid, put it in here, tighten it on there, and you're ready to go. Then you just got to decide what one you want to do. So I'm going to use my coarse shredding blade, and we're going to put this in here. We're going to put it in there, and at the very back there, you can see there's kind of some little hooks in there. So we're just going to get that in there and then turn it in place. So where it will then be latched into the hooks, and then we will start grinding it all up. Now we're all ready to go. So then we open up the chute, turn on our mixer, and away it goes. So that made really short work of that right there. It's nice and grated up, and the consistency is fantastic. This would be easy to use whether you're making up cheese or vegetables, anything like that. Clean it up and you're ready to go for next time.